Basically, this is kind of like if you think of like a traditional sort of haunted house, like that sort of experience, but except you're inside the safety of your car. You're going through the whole thing, and you're actually getting your car washed at the end as well. Yeah, it's kind of that same whole like experience as well. Like it's just a regular like haunted house, but except you're inside of a car wash. Totally up to you guys. When lock your doors, unlock your doors. They're gonna get handsy with the car and whatnot. So yeah, if you guys don't want that sort of experience, them coming inside or whatever, then definitely make sure you lock them up. Especially too when people bring in like little like kids too as well. Like when they bring in like babies as well, I'm like, definitely make sure you lock your doors. Because I'm like, man, like for a little baby too, I'm like, maybe a little like intense for them. So these actors, they're very much like professional in my opinion. They've come from all like sorts of other haunts. So we have some actors from like Not Scary Farm that come through over here and work this, or even like the 17th Door. So like a lot of these people are like very much familiar with working around customers and stuff, and like kind of being safe with what they do. But all these guys have done it for so many years to the point now it's like, yeah, they're like super confident in what they do, and to the point to like, yeah, we can trust them 100%. But yeah, they love it. They have a lot of fun. Yeah, they have a lot of fun with it.